Mr. Dong,
Yes,
where do you live now?
I'm live in Barrier City.
Where?
Barrier City,
Barrier City. Oh, I don't know Barrier City. Barrier City is where? Where is Barrier City? Near
near Ho Chi Minh City. Now, Barrier and Ho Chi Minh is one.
one district and one
Yeah,
city. Okay. Very good. Okay, now, are you married or single now?
yeah, I'm single.
I'm single. Okay. Do you have any girlfriend?
Yes, I have one girlfriend.
Have girlfriend. Okay. Very good. So, oh, your English is good. And uh, are you a student or are you working now?
I'm working
Where are you working?
Phú Mỹ City.
Okay. So, are you working in a company or are you working? Where are you working?
I'm working at company.
At a company. Yeah? I'm working at a company. And what is your job?
My job is environment, safety, and healthy.
Environmental safety and health
Yeah, and
officer.
environment.
Health,
Yes,
health,
officer.
health and environmental safety officer. Oh, okay, very good. Now, how many people are there in your family?
Uh, there are 8 members
Eight
in my
members.
family.
Who are
Yes,
they?
8 members.
Who are they?
My parents, I, and 4 young sister and one young brother.
Younger brother, younger
Yeah,
sister. Okay.
younger brother.
Oh my God, you have many sisters and brothers. Yeah, big
Yes,
family, right? You have a big family.
yes.
Good job. I will come back to you. Hello, Mr. Sang. Where are you living now? Where do you live now, Mr. Sang? Where do you live now, Mr. Sang? Ở đây, ở đây có mà em see you see here. Trong Zoom có trả lời rồi mà. John có viết trả lời cái gì? Câu hỏi và trả lời. Đấy. Where do you live now, Mr. Sang? I live in.
I
I live in.
I live in Vĩnh Long City.
Okay, Mr. Sang, Mr. Sang, em không cần suy nghĩ, em đọc, em chỉ cần đọc thôi. John đã viết trong Zoom rồi và em chỉ cần đọc đọc lại. Okay, where do you live now? Em đọc. I live in Vĩnh Long City. Okay, are you married or single? And Mr. Sang trả lời, yes, I'm married hoặc là no, I'm not married. I am single. Okay. Okay, now, where do you live now, Mr. Sang? Where do you live now? Hey, Mr. Dong, Mr. Dong, can you ask Mr. Sang? Ask Mr. Sang. Just
Yeah.
see the Mr. Dong. You hear me?
Yes,
Ask him. Hỏi anh ấy. Just
yes.
see the question and answer here in the in the in the chat box. Can he see the question answer? No, can
Ờ, bạn Sang, bạn có nhìn thấy câu hỏi trên Zoom không? Bạn có nhìn?
Có.
Go on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I want him to just read this one. Okay, read and answer me. Okay.
Nói có mày không có.
Thầy muốn bạn coi là xem và đọc và trả lời cho thầy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you live now, Mr. Sang?
Nói không có xong đây à.
He knows how to read, right? He know how to read English or no, Mr. Dong?
Bạn Sang, bạn có biết cách đọc tiếng Anh không? Có biết đọc không?
Biết
Ý,
à?
ý là có thể diễn tả được cái câu hỏi của anh đó. Ý là thầy hỏi là anh sống ở đâu á, anh có thể trả lời.
I live Vĩnh Long City à?
Okay, yeah. I live in Viên Long City. Okay. Are you married or single? Get married là kết hôn chưa? Yeah, Mr. Sang, kết hôn chưa?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I am married.
No.
Okay. No, no, I am not married. No, yeah.
Cái chuyện kia kìa.
No, I am not married. Yeah. I am single. Okay.
Là trẻ con đúng không?
Mr. Sang trả lời đi. Are you married? Are you married?
No.
No, I am not married. Nói. No, I am not married.
No, I am not
Married.
married.
I am single. I am single.
I am single.
Okay, very good. All right. So, how many people are there in your family? Có bao nhiêu người trong gia đình? There are. Bao nhiêu người ha, Mr. Sang?
Seven.
There are 7 people. Okay, đọc lại. There are 7 people in my family. Nói lại.
There are 7 people in my family.
Very good. Okay. Now, Miss Young, are you working or are you a student? Are you working now? Are you working or a student? Yes, I'm working. Yeah? Yes, I'm working. Okay. Where are you working? Where are you working? Miss.
In Đồng Nai City.
Okay, very good. I am working in Đồng Nai City at a company. Miss Dung đang làm việc ở công ty hay là cái gì á?
Factory, ở công ty, làm việc ở công ty.
Okay, factory cũng được. Okay, company, at a company or at a factory cũng được. Very good. Yeah. Can you answer? Trả lời nhé. Where are you working, Miss Dung? Where are you working, Miss Dung?
Buôn bán
I am
working in Đồng Nai City at a factory.
Very good. Good job. Okay. This one I will send you. Okay. Miss Nguyen,
Yeah.
are you working or are you a student? Are
Yes,
you?
I'm working.
Yes, I'm working. Very good.
Yeah.
Where are you working now?
I'm working at Vĩnh Long City.
I'm working in Viên Long City. Okay. At a company or at home or where? Ở đâu? Đang làm ở đâu?
Như là ở nhà buôn bán hay là nhà.
Okay, very good. I'm working at home. Yeah, I'm working at my home in Viên Long City. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm working at home in Viên Long City. Good job. Okay. I will send you in Zalo group. John sẽ gửi trong Zalo. Very good. Hello, Mr. Sang.
Yeah.
Are you working or are you working or are you working or are you a student?
Yeah, I am working
I am working. Very good.
in Vĩnh Long.
In Vĩnh. Where are you working? Mr. Sang đang làm ở nhà mẹ công ty hay là ở nhà hay là ở đâu?
Kinh doanh.
Kinh doanh à?
Yeah, kinh doanh.
Kinh doanh của ai? Kinh doanh của Mr. Sang.
Trường học, căng tin trường học.
I don't know. Không biết. Mr. Long, what does he say?
He said he sell and in the school.
Okay. All right. He said he sell some stuffs in school. Okay. He said I'm working in Vĩnh City. Okay, good job. Yeah. Now continue. Yeah, we will continue. Wait for me. 1 minute. All right. Now. Okay. Do you like the weather? Tell me something about yourself. Okay. What's your full name? Spell your name. Do you have any nickname? Okay. When was you born? Where are you from? Where do you live now? Where are you now? Tell me about it. What do parents do for a living? Okay. Now, what do parents do for a living? Okay. This one is, what do people, what do your parents do for a living? Yeah. Mr. Dong, can you help me translate this into Vietnamese, please?
Who?
What
Yes, like for who? Yes, like for who?
for everybody?
Bố mẹ các bạn sống ở đâu?
Không phải là sống ở đâu. Do, what do your parents do? Làm gì? Yeah.
Là làm gì ạ? Làm gì?
Làm gì? Công việc là
Làm gì đó? Yeah.
công việc của cha mẹ.
Của ba
là,
mẹ. Yeah.
Ba mẹ là gì? Okay. Miss Yung, what do your parents do for a living? For a living. Em trả lời my parents.
My parents living farm.
My parents do farm. My parents do farming. Yeah. My parents do farming. Okay, very good. And all right, wait for me. Where do they live now? Where do they live now? Là gì, Miss Dung? Where do they live now là cái gì ạ?
Vĩnh Long City.
Yes. Okay, good job. They live in Vĩnh Long City. They live in Vĩnh Long City. Okay. And do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Là gì?
I have a young brother.
I have a younger brother. I have a younger brother. Okay. Now,
I'm 17.
what time is it?
I have younger brother.
I have younger brother. Okay. All right. Now, Miss Ngan,
Yes.
what do your parents do for a living?
My parents do farm.
Very good. My parents do farming. My parents do farm. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. My parents do farm. My parents do farming. Good job. And wait. Wait for me.
My family Mẹ con
Okay. My parents do for me. And wait for me.
đọc cái này trước xong.
Just go on here. And where do they live now? Where do they live now?
Daily Vĩnh Long City.
They live in, yeah? They live
In
in Binlong
Yeah.
City.
Vĩnh Long City.
Do you have brothers and brother or sisters?
I have brother.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I have one brother. Yeah, I have one brother.
Yeah. I have young brother.
How many brothers do you have?
One.
One. Okay. How
Yeah.
many brothers and sisters do you have? Yeah, I have one brother. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Wait for me. What is going on with this one? Okay. Send you in Zello. All right. Now, Mr. Sun, wait for me.